Hey guys, welcome to our video. Today we will talk about Serbia visa sponsorship jobs. If you are interested in this topic, please watch till the end of this video. Do you intend to move to Serbia as a foreigner in search of a job or a contract? And you either don't have the money or don't want to deal with the hassle of obtaining your own visa? Are you looking for a firm that offers visa sponsorship benefits to foreigners? If getting a job in Serbia is on your agenda during your job search, you're undoubtedly curious about how easy it will be. The point is that there are numerous factors to take into consideration while applying for a job as a foreigner in Serbia with visa sponsorship. Here you will get to know the visa sponsorship jobs in Serbia, how to get a work permit in Serbia, the requirements to obtain Serbia work visas, where you can find sponsorship in Serbia, and a whole more in this video. Visa sponsorship jobs in Serbia 2023 for foreigners. The following are some of available visa sponsorship jobs in Serbia in 2022 for foreigners. Consulting manager, business coordinator, office support, junior trader, marketing analyst, customer support specialist, junior analyst, junior quantitative analyst, health and value manager, financial assistant, back-end engineer, customer support specialist, office manager, office assistant, security compliance specialist, customer support specialist, education specialist, monitoring and technical support analyst, junior monitoring and technical support analyst, junior software engineer, regional operations specialist, engineering manager, senior manager, visa direct sales. Types of work visas in Serbia. Foreign nationals can obtain a number of visas from the Serbian government. Visa types include Type at Airport Transit Visa, Transit Visa Type B, Short-Term Visa Type C, Temporary Residency Visa Type D. Some of your employees can qualify for a Type C visa. Individuals seeking to enter Serbia for business purposes, such as conferences or training workshops, may be given a short-stay visa. The visa is valid for 1, 2, or numerous entries into Serbia. Visitors holding a Type C visa may stay in Serbia for no more than 90 days. Employees will need to obtain a temporary residence permit as well as a work permit in order to live and work in Serbia on a long-term basis. Requirements to obtain Serbia work visas. The following are the general requirements for obtaining a visa to enter Serbia. A visa application form that has been duly completed. A passport that is valid for at least 90 days after the visa is issued. An invitation letter from a possible employer in Serbia. Evidence of health insurance. A passport photograph. Proof of sufficient funds or income to stay in Serbia. Depending on the length of the applicant's stay, an itinerary or a return ticket to Serbia is required. Evidence of visa fee paid. How to get an work permit in Serbia. In Serbia, the processes of acquiring a work permit and a resident visa are inextricably linked. The employer must obtain the work permit. The steps are as follows. Before hiring a foreign worker, the company must request a labor market test from the National Employment Service, NES, to guarantee that no eligible Serbian nationals are available to fill the post. The NES will conduct the test and provide the employer with a report within a month. If the NES discovers a potential candidate for the post, the employer should conduct a qualification review. The employer is not required to recruit any recommended individuals, but if they choose to hire a foreign applicant instead, they must offer an explanation to the NES. Once the necessity for a foreign worker has been determined, the company may apply for a work visa through their local employment affairs agency. A work permit may take 1 to 2 weeks to process. The Serbian Ministry of Interior Affairs must then issue a resident permit. Applications for temporary residence visas should be sent to the Serbian embassy or consulate in the potential employee's current country of residence. The applicant must submit the documentation indicated in the preceding section. Before applying for a temporary visa for employment purposes, you must have a job offer. The employee may travel to Serbia and begin working once the temporary residence visa and work permit have both been approved. Where can I find sponsorship in Serbia? Finding sponsorship for a work visa can be done in a number of ways. One strategy is to look for job advertisements with sponsorship requirements for work visas. Another choice is to approach neighboring businesses and ask them to sponsor your application for a work visa. You can also look for referrals from nearby immigration lawyers. It is important to understand that not all businesses can or desire to sponsor employees for work visas. Because of this, it's essential to complete your research and confirm that the position you're interested in matches the requirements for a work visa before applying for a job. Numerous nonprofit companies provide help in acquiring work visas and support if you are unable to secure sponsorship for a work visa.